Hey guys, today I am telling you how to make your computer clean, look and professional. So let's get started. This is my Windows 11 running computer. So you need to first go to Google or any other web browser. Then you need to click on your account which you want to use. After, you need to go to wallpapers home. You will see here one website, 4K wallpapers HD and 8K images for desktop and mobile. You can click these one also. Where is my mouse pointer? I will click on the first one. Here comes. There will be some ads, but it's okay. Then I will go to OS, and after I go to OS I will click on view all wallpapers, but I will write here Windows 11. Here is not available, so you can choose your backgrounds, and there will be a full of options. Just go down, you will see an OS section. Click on Windows. After you click on Windows, you will see some options. You will not find it, but it will be okay. You can just take the mountain blue. This one will be good for your computer as the backdrop. I will click on download as 4K. Then it will be downloaded. I need to go to files. Click on this file and set as background. See, this is my background which I just downloaded. So you can do it by that. So now I'm gonna tell you second thing. You need to search rounded TB. Rounded TB. The option will come. Click on it. This is full rounded TB. Click on releases. I will show you by going it down. When I come here, I will go down. Click on rounded TB R 3.1 zip. After clicking it, it will be installed over here. Now it's done. It will take some time to load. Click on files. Here comes the rounded TB. Right click on your trackpad or mouse. Then click on extract all. Extract. It will take some time. Now it's done. You will see many things. Click on rounded TB. There will be a logo of R. Click on it. Right click. Then go on more options. If you didn't found options, then you need to click on it. After clicking on it, you can see one app. You need to adjust from it. Suppose I will keep the margin the 5. So it will set to 5 margin. But I will keep it on 2. The corner radius I will keep as 8. As it looks cool. or I can keep on 7. Then I will click on apply, or I can click on advanced and dynamic mode off. It will change. It will go to the normal mode, but it will be the rounded from side. I will on the dynamic mode because I need it. So after doing the rounded TB, you need to close that. After closing, open new tab and search for the version 2. You can write the short form version 2 cursor Windows 11. There will come Windows 11 cursor concept v2. Click on it. Go on DeviantArt. You will see here. You need first an account. Click on free download. You can find more projects like for cursor. Here is my Windows 11 cursor's concept creations. Click on file and you can extract it all. After extracting it all, put it in this PC. That will go in this PC, and after it goes into this PC, click on light or dark. Double click on it. Go in cursor file. There will be install button. Right click. After right clicking, go on more options, or else you can just click it. You need to click it for some seconds. The right click. After clicking it, you will see many options. Click on install. After you are done, there will come many things. Click on save as first. OK. Then click on yes. Enable pointer shadow. Apply. After applying, you will see your new pointer. Click on OK. Your new mouse pointer is available now. Click on the close button. After you click the close button, close all, because we are done our work. And finally, we made our computer look clean and professional. Bye bye.